Since it's my birthday, hindi pumayag ang asawa ko na magstay lang ako sa bahay all night. So we have decided to spend my birthday here at Monza Barcade. Located yan dito sa Arcovia, Pasig City, sa my view deck. Well, sabi ni Google, it's named after the historic Monza racetrack in Italy, which I'm not really familiar with, but it sounds cool. And I must say na sobrang relaxing ng environment. Sa tapat ng Monza, may kita mo agad yung menu nila, so may idea ka na agad what to order. Pumasok na nga kami sa loob just to see and decide kung we want to stay inside or dun na lang kami sa labas. To be honest, ang cozy ng loob, may sim racing sa loob, which I'm really not familiar with, pero mukhang interesting ah. Pwede ka ring uminom since barcade nga to. So, good combination talaga. We saw a couple of groups playing different games and it was actually so fun to watch. And of course, yung comfort room nila, simple lang pero spacious and malinis. And ang unique lang din talaga kasi may photo booth sila doon na pwede mo tong gamitin. Yung mga ginagamit sa mga pang K-pop, P-pop, ganyan. Eh, hindi naman ako familiar sa mga to. So, baka familiar kayo, baka kilala nyo yung mga yan. Baka hindi ako aware, syunga na pala ako kasi hindi ko sila kilala. So, we decided na sa labas na kumain since mas gusto namin yung mas tahimik, since trentahin na nga ni. And nandyan yung mga menu nila, makikita mo na yan, i-pause mo na lang. So, we ordered kebab, pizza, oriental chicken salad, and rigatoni meatballs. Sa totoo lang, hindi ako sure kung best seller ba yung in-order namin, but we really liked it. Ang sarap kasi niya, sobra. At habang naghihintay nga kami ng order, syempre, sightseeing ka muna dyan, 'di ba? Ang dami rin palang nagwo-walking dito ha. Wala pa ngang 5 minutes ay dumating na yung order naming kebab pizza, rigatoni meatballs, and the oriental chicken salad. O diba, Italian vibe talaga. To be honest, we really enjoyed the food. The oriental chicken salad is well prepared and it's nicely combined. Hindi siya sabog-sabog. And I so love the rigatoni meatball. Sobrang meaty, savory, and tender. Talagang siksik tsaka malinamnam. The kebab pizza is not super saucy, which I really like. And ang generous nung toppings. O diba, simut sarap talaga. Naubos namin yan literal. And mo naman yung meatball, talagang save the best for last. Hinuli ko talaga yan. This is highly recommended. So ano, tara?